Economics Test Part 2. Please write your name and the date and class period on the top of this page. Remember, you can pause at any time. Question number 1. The percentage of people within a country who have the ability to read and write. Is it A, imports, B, literacy rate, C, less developed, or D, GDP per capita? Question number 2. Countries with a relatively low level of literacy rates, little technology access, little economic activity, and not much manufacturing are called A, GDP per capita, B, less developed, C, imports, D, low literacy rate. Question number 3. The total GDP divided by the total population of that country is called A, GDP per capita, B, low literacy rate, C, imports, D, less developed. Question number 4. Goods or products brought in from another country is called A, low literacy rates, B, GDP per capita, C, imports, D, less developed. Question number 5. The average expected length of life of the citizens within a specific country is called A, life expectancy, B, more developed, C, human development index, D, exports. Question number 6. What is an example of a manufacturing industry? Is it A, growing corn on a farm for export, B, working in a plant making automobiles, C, managing a large multinational corporation, or D, selling a variety of products at a grocery store? Remember, you can pause at any time. Question number 7. Which of the following are the 4 factors of production? Is it A, supply, demand, natural resources, capital, and socialism, B, natural resources, land, human resources, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship, C, profit, entrepreneurship, capital, and labor, D, communism, human resources, entrepreneurship, and profit. Question number 8. Which of the following businesses would be examples of the wholesale industry? Is it A, The Gap, Macy's, and Walmart, B, Sports Clips, H&R Block Tax Company, C, Nixon Dairy Farm, OK Farm Products, or D, Costco and Sam's Club? Question number 9. A factory making soccer balls and footballs would be an example of what type of industry? Is it A, service, B, manufacturing, C, retail, D, agricultural? Question number 10. A limited amount of resources is known as A, scarcity, B, labor, C, demand, D, profit. Question number 11. Which of the following is an example of the agricultural industry? Is it A, banking, B, cattle ranching, C, auto manufacturing, D, mining? Question number 12. The amount of goods available for consumers to buy is called A, demand, B, wants, C, supply, D, needs. Question number 13. Supply and demand often influences the blank of goods in the marketplace. Is it A, price, B, retail, C, labor, D, wholesale? Remember, you can pause this video at any time. Question number 14. The making of goods is called blank. A, retail, B, services, C, labor, D, production. Question number 15. What is an example of the service industry? Is it A, Target, B, Costco, C, auto repair, D, Walmart? Question number 16. How would you rate a country that has high positive indicators like literacy rate, life expectancy, economic activity, manufacturing, and technology? Is it A, medium developed, B, moderate developed, C, more developed, D, less developed? Question 17. Macy's, Old Navy, and American Eagle are all examples of the blank industry. Is it A, wholesale, B, manufacturing, C, retail, D, service? Question number 18. Henry Ford would be an example of which factor of production? Is it A, land, B, capital, C, entrepreneurship, D, labor? Question number 19. What is the percentage of people within a country who have the ability to read and write code? Is it A, GDP per capita, B, literacy rate, C, imports, D, less developed? Question number 20. What is the process of international trade among people, companies, and governments of different countries? Is it A, socialism, B, communism, C, globalization, D, integration? Remember, you can pause at any time. Question 21. Which conclusion about economic development is supported by the graph? The graph below compares the gross domestic product and of 8 countries for 1 year. Your graph reads Mexico, and Mexico has 1.15, Australia 1.48, India 1.67, United Kingdom 2.41, Brazil 2.49, Japan 5.86, China 7.29, and United States 15.09. Look at the graph, how the graph is slowly increasing. The question asks again, which conclusion about economic development is supported by the graph? The graph below compares the gross domestic product of 8 countries of 1 year. Is it A, the economy of Mexico was stronger than the economy of India? B, the value of U.S. goods and services was more than double that of China? C, Australia exported more goods and services than the United Kingdom? D, Brazil and the United Kingdom produce an equal amount of goods and services? Question 22. Because of its vast numbers of English speakers, India is well suited for outsourcing. Outsourcing occurs when a company hires an outside company or individual to do work. U.S. companies often outsource to foreign countries where workers may be more flexible or willing to work for lower wages. Based on the excerpt, how does the availability of English-speaking workers influence the economy of India? A, it creates job growth due to outsourcing. B, it discourages entrepreneurs from starting businesses. C, it boosts productivity in locally owned factories. D, it causes difficulty for workers seeking jobs with local businesses. Remember, go back and check your answers. And if you erase something, please make sure that you erase it well. Good luck.